Go.
Hey! Hi! We're on the Mary and Kay show. We heard we have a guest today.
This is our friend Brandon.
Hi.
Her daughter's actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're here to show him the backwoods, obviously,
Now, I think he's here to show us about this,
Well, see, the thing of it is,
out here.
yeah, we heard that, I'm in this ghost thingy, hunters, and we heard that there, was a family that died out here, so we came to check it out.
Yeah.
See what's going on,
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
Well, I do know that the people who died were like 300 years old.
That, really?
No.
Oh. Okay. Wow.
Probably 300 years ago.
Yeah, about 300 years ago
Wait,
they died.
Wait, guys, do you guys hear that?
What the hell was that?
I don't hear nothing.
You guys
Look
don't
it.
hear that. What the heck is that?
Something's over there.
You guys, there's no Latin tigers or anything out here, right?
Dude, I don't know.
Are you
I think there
sure?
might be a mountain lion back there.
Yeah, we do have mountain lions.
There's no... What?
Let's go check it out. Come on, Mary. Don't be...
Dude, no way! I just saw something
Come on,
brown
eat
out.
chicken.
Holy shit,
Jesus!
dude, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? That's the fucking Sasquatch!